Good morning.
May I have your name?
Call Lisa.
Let me check if we have a resume. Mr. Rizal, we have a career going for you under the company name of Sony Corporation. For verification, sir, your family name is Pisano, which is spelled as P-I-S-A-N-O. Is that right?
Yes.
You'll be staying for 2 nights and your departure will be November 15. Your booking is guaranteed by Sony Corporation. So, can you sign under your... So, you can sign under your account. May I request you to further check the details in your registration form and to sign your name? Yes, sir.
I have the ball pen.
At the moment, Mr. Presano, the available double deluxe room is still being made up. Do you want to settle for a king double deluxe instead?
Okay, it's fine.
While waiting for your room, would you like to enjoy a complimentary at our coffee shop or would you rather entertain yourself with some magazines?
Can I have the magazine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Pisano, you are booked under the account of Sony Corporation. We have not received your company's letter of authorization guarantee this day. Do you have it with you?
No.
Sir, it's our company policy to require an authorization letter for any company account. Since this is not with us, I hope you don't mind if we have to place it first a personal account, but we will adjust your booking as a corporate account the moment we see the letter. The letter must be with us prior to check.
Okay, that's fine.
This is our hotel room key, Mr. Pisan. For our security, we request that we present your ID each time you pay for your key. Your room is on the second floor. Our bellboy Sunny will accompany you through.
Oh, thank you.
Have a nice day, Mr. Pisan. I hope you
Thank you.
will enjoy the stay.
Mr. Reservation, good afternoon. May I help you?
May I have a reservation, please?
For what date, sir?
From November 27 to December 2.
What type of room, sir?
Suite room.
May I have the name of the guest?
Mr. Emilio.
How many days? How would you like the bill to be settled, Mr. Entencio?
Through HSBC Visa card.
I'm sorry to inform you that all suite rooms have been booked for November 27. How about a deluxe instead?
Okay.
We can transfer you to a suite room once there is an available suite. May I have the account name and account number?
1234789 1234767. Intention Corporation.
Sir, since your company has no existing credit card account with us, we would like to request a deposit or prepayment with the amount of 1,000 pesos, plus a letter of guarantee from the company specifying that we will answer the balance of bill upon checkout. Could you please have this letter on the or before your guest will check in? Sir, let me refer this matter to our credit finance manager for approval and get back to you for feedback.
Okay.
Kindly wait for a minute, sir. Sir, we wish to confirm reservations for Mr. Entencio from November 27 to December 2. His preferred room is single deluxe at a rate of 4,500. They are expected to arrive on November 27 at 10 o'clock p.m. The guest will be settled by his company under commercial account. Sir, please be advised, Mr. Entencio, to check in not later 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reservation have the right to give his room to wait listed clients. Thank you for calling, sir. Have a nice day.